Alright, we're going to start down here at the bottom. It's a little bit wompy right there because of the way I have to put it up there so y'all can see it. But here it is. This is awesome. I like it. I wish I could turn it around. Let's see if I can... How much... Nope, you can't see, but just the bottom here. Alright, let's do some adjusting. Alright, I got it up there now. Hooray! Okay. So, turn it around this way. Now the top up here makes it go in and out. See, it opens it up at the top. And these right here, you mash them in and pull them down. If I can get one to do it. Okay, they need to be oiled, so I'm not going to mess with them too much until I can oil them and get them to where they need to be. But
yeah, that's the way they do it.
That's the way you do it.
So, there we got them too.
Oh, Rick got them two to work.
But this one's open too. Why ain't they pulling out?
I don't know.
Oh, that's for pulling up. This one
Yes.
would be loose too. Right
And it would be this one.
this one right here.
Okay.
No, this one right here. I guess.
This
No,
one right
this
here
one.
opens this one up.
Okay.
Sorry y'all can't see, but
This is the one, and I can't get it.
yeah, it's going to have some oil.
Yeah, it needs some oil.
It needs some oil on it really bad.
But
this is it. Now, he, somebody had come in there and was wanting to buy it. And he told him that he was going to give us till Sunday, to buy it. So he saved it for me. And I thought that was awful nice of him and all. But now we have a mannequin, and we're going to put some oil on it and give it some play a little bit. But I'm not going to do that right now because I want to be able to lay it on my table and have it just lay in there steady and all. But I figured I would throw it in there and let you see my beauty. And he said it was a 1940 mannequin. Now, I don't know, but when my mother wakes up, she might know. And all that good stuff. So
it'll go from bust size 32 to 39, and hips from 34 to 41.
that's for us fat people. But I am happy with it.
It's a Sally Stitch push button dress form. We could probably look it up and see.
Yeah, we can look it up on the internet and check it out. Alrighty then. I think that's what I'm going to do. Check it out on the internet and see what we can come up with.
If I surveyed all the good things come to me from above, if I would count all the blessings from the storehouse above, I simply ask for the favor of Him beyond mortal king, and I'm sure He granted again and again. I want to stroll over heaven with you some glad day when all our troubles and heartaches are vanished away. Then we'll enjoy all the beauty where all things are new. I want to stroll over heaven with you.
I know you're down this far, but it shows. Look here, it does. It goes down this far It's the way it shows on that, it should go down further.
It should. Let's
So-
see what you're hitting.
Yeah, that's hitting something up here. Okay, I see.
Okay,
We have this rod. There's a rod.
right
This
here.
other rod.
Yeah. See, it should. For some that rod's stuck. That's what it is.
Yeah, I can't get my hands up there.
No, you can't. This second rod is stuck. It won't go down no further.
Yeah.
We might have to work with that. It's probably oil.
Yeah, I need oil and stuff. I'm not going to force anything.
No, don't force nothing.
Because I don't want to break it. I want to oil it. But we're going to do that at a future date. But it does go down all the way down here to the bottom. So that would be awesome. But we got it down that far. So I can't wait to get this quilt done so we can play with that. Then that way I can make a shirt and see what it looks like. Yeah! Yeah, I'd have to go out on this. Don't I wish I was this skinny? But we could see it. I need to go out at least 1.5 inches over here. And the same over here. But other than that, that looks pretty good. This is how to donate to my PayPal. You come down here to Poor Man's Sewing, and you mash on Poor Man's Sewing. Then you go over here to About. You mash on About, and right here is to donate to Poor Man's Sewing.